Hello, English students. This is Professor Bradley, and I've had a lot of questions about the Create an Ad assignment in Unit 2.1. So I wanted to make a video and see if I can help you understand the assignment a little bit better. First of all, anytime you have a question about assignment, it's best to go back to the assignment itself and read what it says. So that's what I've done this afternoon, and I'm looking at the assignment in Unit 2.1. And it says, for this creative group project, create an ad that employs at least one, that means it could be more than one, but at least one of the three classical appeals, ethos, logos, and pathos. And ethos, logos, and pathos are explained in Unit 2.1, if you don't know what those are. The ad can be a product or a charitable cause. Include a one-paragraph written explanation that identifies the appeal used in the ad and how it is used in the ad. This is an opportunity to be creative. You can use an everyday product or charity, but you must create the ad for that product or charity using one of the appeals to help you sell the product or the cause. And then I put in some steps. Step 1, contact your group. Find your group in the menu on the left side of the Class eCampus page. It will say My Group. There should be a link on the left-hand menu side of the Class eCampus page titled My Groups. Step 2, decide what product or charity cause you want to create an ad for. Everyone in the group should suggest at least 2 ideas. That way you've got a lot of material to brainstorm and you can decide what you think you can work with most effectively. Step 3, once you know your product or cause, decide which classical appeal you want to use to sell that product or cause. Different products are going to require different appeals, So just think about the product and which classical appeal would best sell that product. Step 4, decide what to include in the ad that will use that appeal effectively. What image, what color, what words, what music, what background, what people would help to sell that product. Step 5, begin to create the ad. Divide parts of the creation among the members in the group. Maybe you want to bring music into your ad. Maybe you want to draw a picture. Maybe you want to use a picture, a photograph that someone has taken, something like that. But remember, you are creating an original ad to support a product or a cause that may or may not already exist. You're just creating the ad for it. Step 6, be sure everyone has a copy of the finished ad, okay? Because everybody's going to be talking about that ad when they write their individual paragraphs. Step 7, write a one-paragraph paper that explains what appeal is used in the ad, how that appeal is used, and the ad itself on a second page of the saved document. Okay, so you're going to have a document that, first of all, first page is a one paragraph that explains what appeal is used in this ad, how is it used in this ad, what sort of psychology is being used in this ad to sell the product, and how is this appeal really appropriate for this product or cause. And then the second page is going to be the ad itself, so that I have a copy of the ad to look at so I can tell whether or not what you are writing really is analyzing the ad that your group created. Everyone's paragraph is their own work, their own individual paragraph. The ad is the same for everybody in your group. Submit the project on eCampus. Just make it a two-page document. You can make it in a Word document or whatever. Everyone should complete a teamwork participation self-evaluation form. This is part of your participation grade. Okay, and that's the assignment. So let's talk about some hiccups in the road. 1, don't be surprised if not everyone in your group is participating. That happens every semester. There are some people who will just ghost you, and I don't know why. It's kind of crazy. 5% of your final course grade is half a letter grade, so it counts for a lot. I don't know why they would just skip it. But anyway, there's no telling what people are thinking. But don't be surprised if that happens. Secondly, people have asked, can we make a PowerPoint? No, you can't make a PowerPoint. One, because you're used to making PowerPoints. Let's push this a little bit further. Let's be a little bit more original. Your ad should imitate the kind of ads that you see on TV, so you can shoot a video if you want to, or in a magazine, so you can have it be a print ad if you want to. That would be fine. So just, decide in your group how you want to handle it. The due date for this project is different depending on which class you're in, and this video is for 2 different classes, so I can't be specific about that at this moment. But see what you can do with that. See if that helps clarify some of your questions, and Zoom me an email if you have more questions. I'd be glad to help if I can. Okay, good luck on your project. Have fun with it. It's meant to be fun.